Hello students, welcome to lecture number 6 of advertising and promotion. Today we have got a new topic by the name of advertising agency. Advertising agency. Before going to the definition and explanation of advertising agency, we have discussed in previous lecture that normally commercials or advertisements or ads, simply we are calling them ads. Ads are of two types. One is called commercial, other is called infomercial. Commercials are in some seconds, normally ranging from 5-10 seconds to 35 or 40 seconds, not more than that. An infomercial remains in minutes. So when we are using commercials and when we are using infomercial means a detailed commercial which remains in minutes. That is called infomercials. Normally infomercials are used when the organization is new or the product is new, in which the basic purpose of infomercial is to give more information to the people about specific organization or a specific product, about its name, product price, about its logo, color combination, slogan, address, contact number, cell number, email address, etc. So all these things are given in infomercials. While in commercial, only a reminder is there, because people are already familiar with the commercial, with the product. Just to keep it alive in the minds of the people, we are using commercials or simple ads which remains in seconds. However, whether it is commercial or infomercial, short ads or long ads, who creates this thing? There exists a creativity. In some seconds, they are transferring you a large amount of information. Means some creativity exists behind each and every ad. So who are making these ads? Who is the builder of these ads? Specific organizations who are involved in preparing these ads are there, which we are calling it advertising agency. Obviously, for a university, for a school, for mobile manufacturing company, it is not possible to make an ad by itself. We need creative people, we need expert and professional people in this field to make an ad for us. So from where those people are coming? Those people are coming from a specialized organization, and that specialized organization is called advertising agency. Advertising agency, a team of experts and professionals who plan, create, produce, publish and execute advertising campaign for a fees by advertiser. They are making a plan, they are making ads, they are creating the ads, then they are publishing the ad to complete a whole advertising campaign for an advertiser, for an organization, for a company, for a country, for a person. So such group of creative people is called advertising agency. That they are planning about advertising campaign, then they are making ad for the advertising campaign, then they are publishing the ad, then they are executing, practically implementing the advertising campaign. So we are calling this group of people or this team is advertising agency. Now it seems to be very much easier to create an ad and broadcast it on the media. Broadcasting, telecasting or airing, these are same terminology used for publishing an ad or telecasting an ad on the television or radio or print media, electronic media, social media, etc. But it is not that much easy job. We have got different departments in this advertising agency who are performing their specialized tasks to complete an ad or to complete an advertising campaign. I have written some 7-8 names of these different departments. Departments in advertising agency: number 1, account executive department; number 2, copy department; number 3, visualizing or art department; number 4, media department; number 5, production department; number 6, account department; number 7, research department. Now coming to its explanation. Number 1, account executive department. From its name shows that it is related to accounting or finance or money, but no, it's wrong. Its name shows wrong concept. Account in advertising, account means your client, your customer for whom you are making an ad, that is called account. So account executive department, this department is in direct contact with the customers or clients. They are attracting the clients, they are giving information to the clients, they are convincing the clients, they are taking orders from the clients. So their main duty is to be engaged with the clients, to take order, to contact with them, to convince them, to inform them. So all customer or clients related issues are solved by this account executive department. Different people are working over here: account director, account manager, account officer. So these 4-5 different managerial positions are existing in this department. I told you that the major function of this department is to be in direct contact with the clients or customers. Then we have got second department by the name of copy department. Copy department. What is meant by copy over here? Copy means the message, the verbal spoken message or written message, that is called copy. Like we have got one Pashto ad for their specific energy drink. हम मह की दड़ोड़े हम व्रस्त दड़ोड़े फायदा लरी. हम मह की दड़ोड़े हम व्रस्त दड़ोड़े फायदा लरी. This message, these wordings are called copy. So copy department means the major function of copy department is copywriting, to create a message for an ad. That is called copy department. So obviously copy is divided into different parts: head of the copy, body of the copy, and closing of the copy. Head, the main topic; then body, your wordings, a little bit explanation; then ending or closing of the copy, you have got slogans, etc. for this. So this activity is performed by copy department. Next is visualizing or art department. You see different pictures, different videos are given over there. So this is prepared by visualizing department. Visualizing department, we have got illustration, graphics, and typography. Illustration, graphics, and typography. Illustration showing one person is doing something, illustrating you something. And then graphics is there, different graphs are there, different pictures are there. Typography is there. Typography, different characters we are using over there. Like for danger, we have got a skull or a head with cross. It shows danger, not to go there or not to use that product. So, this is called art or visualizing. Next, media department. This department is direct contact with different types of media, print media, electronic media, social media. That when this ad is prepared to get timing, time slot means when this ad will be broadcasted. To finalize fees with media, to get timing, frequency. Frequency means how many this ad will be broadcasted. This is called frequency. Then production department. Production department is there. Production department means that all the material which we need in this agency will be provided by production department. Paper, printings, colors, pens, markers, all these things which we are using over here, that will be provided by production department. Account department, now this account department is money department, issuing salaries to the people, taking money from the people, okay, finalizing or signing contracts with the organization about fees, etc. So all money or related issues are conducted by or completed by account. Research department, they are conducting survey in the market, which type of ad are more popular, which type of people are attractive to the people, how to attract the people. So they are conducting different types of research. Thank you very much, students. See you in the next class. Be with me. Khuda Hafiz.